Go over there, Olive.
I'm so tired. I'm hurrying.
Wait, what?
There's no complaining.
An iPad?
What?
What is this, an iPad
A
too?
new ornament.
Spoiled.
Holy Christ!
It's not yours.
Okay.
A phone?
An iPad.
Oh, I thought there was
Dude, you got an iPad. You ever looked at that? Oh my god.
an iPad. Thanks,
Wow, you got Mario 3D World again? iPad?
Jesus.
Hey,
A notebook.
let's try.
Oh, Nathan! I guess you did get Santa still, huh?
I
Yeah.
think there's
I guess I still got an expensive one when I was trying to get 50 or lower.
If
That's
I
a good one.
one.
That's a good one.
Not
Yeah.
That's so you can. That's faster than your one you have down. You know, and they have new ones.
I see that one in the back.
I'm still taking a picture of this.
Look at that.
Happy?
Yes, I am.
Good. You're spoiled. So we let you order all your stuff. And we still got that.
What
If you
is
don't
this?
want that, if you want an iPad, you can take that back and do an iPad.
I like it. I have a Nook.
Yeah. It's the game Mousetrap, Olive.
It is?
Oh, never mind.
I'll put it out.
Is this a gift for her? That's in this basket, in this bag?
She's already got this.
Oh, sorry. Yeah. No.
But there is one more gift. There's a box over there somewhere.
What?
This is toys.
What?
Behind you.
Oh, that's Olive's. There's another box. I haven't opened it yet. I don't even know what's in it. It might be just my stuff.
Wait, that's all
Right
Olive's?
there. The towel on it.
Yeah. This is all mine.
Okay. Here.
This week.
Thanks, Nate. Ah, Starbucks.
I'm like,
Bear
Thanks, Nate.
There's something I like you to.
Awesome.
Thanks, Nathan.